from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. So what I'm going to show you today is how to make a quick and simple rub. This is a universal rub that you can use on just about anything. The reason I'm making this rub is because I'm going to be doing a brisket. I'm going to be doing it in the oven, very slow. Briskets are tough pieces of meat, so you need to do them low and slow. But this is the rub that we're going to put on our brisket and let it sit for overnight to get it prepared to go in the oven. So let me show you a quick and easy all-purpose rub. There's my brisket. That's from the beef that we had butchered here about a year ago. And Hitching Post Custom Meats up in Canisteo, New York is the one who did that for us, and he did a beautiful job processing. I really recommend him. And I'll show you what I'm putting into our rub. So I've got brown sugar, and I've got smoked paprika, and I have 2 local spices that I'm using. This is Summer Kitchen Spice Company out of Mifflinburg? Yep, Mifflinburg, PA. I really recommend them. And this is a Hickory Smoked Black Pepper. Give it a hint of smokiness. And then I'm also using, to give it some bite, the Summer Kitchen Spice Company Habanero Hot Salt. Ooh. So I think this is going to be a really nice blend. And of course, cumin and garlic powder, regular salt, and I think that's it. I'll have the recipe in the description below, like always. All I'm going to do to make our rub is combine all the ingredients. And if you make up a batch ahead of time, it can be stored. Best way to do it is store it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. Keeps the spices fresh. Oh, the aroma on some of these spices are just fantastic. I'm just going to give this a good mix. And there it is. It smells very, very good. So there's our dry rub. If you want to see what it looks like done on the brisket and the final result, you're going to have to watch the second part of this, which is actually doing the oven baked brisket. It smells so good. Super easy.